Welcome to our Dash Cam Showdown. Today, we're putting the ROVE R2-4K against the Dash Cam Wi-Fi 2K. We'll dive into their specifications, features, and user reviews to see which one stands out as the best choice for your vehicle. Let's get started. The ROVE R2-4K offers stunning 4K Ultra HD video quality, ensuring that every detail is captured clearly. In contrast, the Dash Cam Wi-Fi 2K provides decent 2K resolution, which, while good, doesn't match the clarity of 4K. For those who prioritize video quality, the ROVE R2-4K is the clear winner. When it comes to pricing, the ROVE R2-4K is priced at $119 United States dollars, making it a premium option. On the other hand, the Dash Cam Wi-Fi 2K is much more budget-friendly at just $59 United States dollars. If you're looking for a more affordable solution, the Dash Cam Wi-Fi 2K offers great value for money. The ROVE R2-4K comes packed with advanced features such as built-in Wi-Fi 6, GPS, and superior night vision capabilities. In comparison, the Dash Cam Wi-Fi 2K offers essential features like WDR night vision and loop recording, but lacks GPS. If you want a feature-rich experience, the ROVE R2-4K is the better choice. In conclusion, the choice between the ROVE R2-4K and the Dash Cam Wi-Fi 2K ultimately depends on your needs and budget. If you prioritize video quality and advanced features, the ROVE R2-4K is the way to go. However, if you're looking for a more affordable option that still gets the job done, the Dash Cam Wi-Fi 2K is a solid choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.